Welcome to Shenzhen Censtar Technology Company Limited, your trusted partner and premier destination for high-quality SMT and DIP assembly line machines. The key point of our success is our specialized engineering team, dedicated to designing and manufacturing cutting-edge SMT and DIP solutions. With over a decade of experience, we take pride in our extensive range of SMT assembly machines and PCB handling machines of unparalleled quality. Our commitment to quality is unwavering. Our products are not just machines, they are certified symbols of excellence, holding the prestigious CE, RoHS, and ISO 9001 quality certifications. Our machines are meticulously crafted to the highest standards, utilizing the latest technology and materials to ensure durability and a lasting lifespan. We provide full SMT and DIP production line solutions. Step into a world of possibilities with our one-stop SMT equipment solution, including PCB loader, unloader, conveyor, buffer, shuttle conveyor, reflow oven, wave soldering, pick and place, SPI, AOI, and much more. Our success resonates across 40 countries, from Europe to America, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Africa, where we've helped establish factories in LED, TV, phone, router, EMS, and beyond, assisting in establishing factories across various industries and training over 450 experts. Earn the trust of clients worldwide. What sets us apart? Explore the key advantages that make us your preferred partner. Professional team. Our high-tech team is your source of professional technical support, ensuring you receive solutions tailored to your needs. Timely responses. We understand the value of time. Quality control. Rigorous quality control is the backbone of our operations. Before shipping, every product undergoes strict scrutiny to guarantee excellence. Competitive pricing. Enjoy the benefits of high-quality materials at factory prices. We ensure your investment goes a long way. Wide range of services. Need customization. We offer OEM and ODM services, meeting all your requirements seamlessly. High efficiency. Efficiency is our promise. Experience the shortest production shipment times, ensuring your projects move at the speed of innovation. Engineering excellence. Complete solutions. Trusted partnership. Whether you're looking for customized solutions for your SMT and DIP assembly line or expert advice, Censtar is here to achieve success. Contact us today and let's elevate your business to new heights.